Hi traders, in this video I would like to address second most important step prior to placing a trade. It is absolutely essential and crucial to understand what institutions do prior to placing a trade. It's absolutely essential and crucial to trade with institutions and not against them. This is a day trading chart of S&P mini future. This is S&P in the last 2 weeks. February 9th was stunning opportunity to buy at day trading bottom, at day trading trend inception. This is when S&P became extremely difficult and challenging on February 13, 14, 16, 18. This is not the place to buy. And when institutions step in again from critical support, what does this? Confirms this vertical curve again. Institutional bullish rally remains intact. This is institutional chart traders. Every single day prior to placing your trade, trader must know institutional levels, institutional direction, institutional bias. So why in the world has been such a difficult week? Because this week there was not much institutional work. Institutions simply holding longs and adding to their positions. And that's exact same thing you must do on every single instrument you trade. So when traders come to me who've been trying for 5, 10, 15, 20 years and instantly become successful because they start paying attention to institutional Fibonacci levels, institutional trading ranges, institutional support and resistance levels, you start riding institutional train. You stop succumbing to instant gratification and desire to short the market. Look at this chart. This is S&P since 2018. It's vertical. So when I work with institutional traders who have taken 0 shorts since December 2018, so should you. Your maximum number of shorts on S&P or Dow or NQ should be much less than 10%. Institutions continue buying every single pullback. This is chart on Dow. If you miss the events in the trading room this week, where focus is on Dow, this was stunning bullish reversal from ultimate day trading bottom, when institutions instantly stepped in with vengeance. However, Wednesday was drastically more challenging. It was drastically more narrow range. And this stunning flawless bullish rally in the last day and a half for 300 plus points is another confirmation. Institutions buying every single pullback. And when we look on institutional charts, this is clearly the most challenging week since December 2018, as Dow at institutional brick wall frozen. If you do not understand what this means, it is simply ultimate high institutional resistance, slowest week on record on Dow since December 2018. This chart confirms institutions not closing positions. Institutions keep adding to their positions, holding positions. So if you're struggling in this market, more than likely, it's because you're shorting S&P, Dow, Nasdaq futures. Not a brilliant thing to do when institutions continue holding longs and adding to their positions. This is institutional bottom on oil traders this week. Last week, oil came out with extremely bearish news. So why in the world did oil rally more than 300 points from ultimate bottom? Simple. This is where institutions step in with vengeance. No matter how bearish the news is, all identified in advance, never after the fact. This is what oil looked like 3 months ago in December. Struggling at critical resistance, 63 brick wall. This is what oil looks like. Collapsing from 63 is expected. 54 important support, but ultimate bottom is drastically lower. Oil heading lower. And when buyers step in with vengeance, Alpha Fibonacci traders not surprised. Alpha Fibonacci trading system identifies institutional trend reversal always in advance, independent of news events. Here's another stunning example on Amazon. When Amazon heading higher, 2018, what do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone at 2000 number. Amazon keeps coming out with excellent earnings, so why in the world is it selling off? Time and time again, why oh why? No matter how stunning the news is, Amazon sold off completely 2018, more than $700 per share. 2019, more than $300 per share. It's exact same thing, traders. Institutional bottom is present, look to buy. And if you understand what institutions do and you trade with predictive alpha Fibonacci power, you will trade with drastically better accuracy than without alpha Fibonacci trading system. Relying on the news and earnings will never work. Trading with institutions does. And if I would show you another example, here's pound in the last 2 years. Have anyone heard of a great news in Europe? On a great news in England. So why in the world pound stages such spectacular rally? From 120. Simple. It reached ultimate bullish trend inception, as oil have done, as S&P and Dow have done recently. So if you understand where institutional trend inception is, if you understand why pound selling off from institutional trend reversals, you trading pain-free, riding institutional power, institutional trends. So if you're ready to trade with institutional trends and power, I look forward to working with you. Please click on product section and review which option appropriate for you. Currently, we're offering $2,000 off, the biggest discount ever for lifetime license multi-market scanner trade recognition software with 3 months live classes for group or private mentoring, video library recording available to you. And when you log in into member area, this is what you will see. You will have opportunity to view videos 24/7 with modules. When you will log in, you will see settings for Fibonacci tool. If you choose to trade with software multi-market scanners, this is what the multi-market scanners would look like. You decide what you want to trade, and if you would like to add to multi-market scanner any instrument you choose to trade, nothing is a problem. Add oil with a single click. Add gold with another click. And if you would like to expand and add other instruments such as long-term, not a problem. It is very easy to do, as well as it's very easy to remove. Templates are set up for you. I show this in live classes, how to adjust, how to set up custom templates. And if you have any question, my incredible team and I will always help you. Recently, we also added mindset and lifestyle section where I share things that will impact your decision-making process, your health, your state of mind as a trader. Any other questions? Please pick up the phone 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.